Your love is the wind beneath my wings, lifting me higher. In your embrace, I find my strength, my deepest desire. With every heartbeat, our souls align, a perfect sync. Together we'll soar to new heights, never on the brink. Every touch of yours is a promise, a vow to love forever. In your eyes, I see our destiny, a bond no one can sever. With you, I've found my home, my heart's true place. Together, our love will transcend time, a beautiful embrace. You are my dream, my reality, the love I've always sought. In your presence, I find peace, a solace deeply wrought. With every word, you breathe life into my soul. Together, we are one, our love making us whole. In your laughter, I find joy, a melody so sweet. Your love is my anchor, my heart's rhythmic beat. With every glance, you steal my heart anew. Together, we are invincible, our love forever true. Your love is a gentle whisper, a song that soothes my soul. In your arms, I find my haven, making me whole. With every kiss, you ignite a fire within. Together, our love will conquer, will always win.